Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my bathroom. All right, so I know this is like a kind of a different setting, you guys, but I'm getting ready for the day. I already washed my face and brushed my teeth, but I'm taking you guys along with me to finish up some items that will be launching very shortly on my online store. I will make sure I leave a link down below, but right now my store is not open to everybody, but it will be very shortly. So this bag, like I'll show you guys in detail later on, but here is this is my go-to everyday leave on the counter skincare bag, but I also have my makeup in here. And I just wanted to show my bag to you guys because that's what we're making today. We're making bags. This is my little one, THICC Peach creation. As you can see, I embroidered it. But yeah, I am just going to do my brows just a little bit. I know like a lot of people have different fortes and what they like the best when it comes down to makeup. Y'all, because I work for the industry, I've tried a lot of different pencils, a lot of different brand name pencils, but this one's my favorite. This one's from Shop Miss A, and whenever I go to the mall, I always try to pick up one, and yeah, I'm just going to fill in my brows, because right before I get started on sewing today, I gotta make it a very, very quick run. So I'm just going to continue doing what I do. Hey you guys, I am back and I'm I'm ready to go. I'm ready to show you what I've been working on. So first, let me kind of show you one that I've already put together but I haven't finished. And this is, I'm going to say my makeup bag, but it's a everything pouch, okay? All right. So I do have one here. It's really cute. It's really, really cute. This is what it looks like. This is the front. It looks just like the one I showed you earlier. Like I said, that one I've been using probably for about 5 months now, and it's still holding up very good. So this one here, as you can see, it has pull tabs. I love the zipper, and you can't see, but it does sit up on its own. Let me see. So y'all, I was changing out pictures, so I'm just going to use the bottom of this canvas here. So as you can see, it sits up, okay? Pretty good, right? So I have quite a bit to finish over here. 3 different items exactly. Over here I have quilted, I have pinned, I have the zippers on. I have a lot to finish. So I'm actually not going to be in my tiny sewing room. I'm actually going to set up right here. You guys can't see, but I have a table right here in front of me, and I kind of like elevated it some so that I can be able to cut on this table, so I'm not constantly cutting on my glass dining room table. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. If I manage to finish these 3 products here today, then I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures, have it up on my website, and have the link available for you guys to purchase if you guys are interested. If not, that's okay. We're gonna keep going with this, and I still have to make my monthly makes for April. It's not April yet, but y'all, I'm ecstatic. Okay, I've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, and I'm super happy to share with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna find my other battery to my camera, and let's have a great day. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already have, oh, dang, I didn't thread my freaking thread. So let me just thread this real fast So I just tried looking for my other battery, and I can't find it. So we're gonna work with this one battery. So as much as I can, and if I know I need to charge my battery, I will charge it and show you guys what the finished look is. The finished look, the finished products. So like I said, you guys, we are doing a couple different products, this being the main one, in different designs. And my phone's in the way. Oops. And I have a pretty good stack here. So I'm actually going to start off with the smaller ones, which I think these are all extra liners. And you guys are going to watch me sew, put stuff together. I might not do like a voiceover. Yeah, I'm going to be honest. Probably won't do that. Won't add any music, you guys. This is just, we put stuff together. Let's go. Because I want to. Alright, so a lot of stuff I did do, like, I'm going to show you guys. These are going to be the keychain wallets. I already have, like, they're already on the zipper. I already have my label on here. I already have the lining on here. I just have to finish it by bringing these together, sewing all the way around, you know, basically finishing the product. So, sorry to show you guys the first step of the process, but I have these keychain wallets to do. I have these rectangle pouches, but I'm calling them the pencil pouches, which I have one put together. I just can't find it at the moment. Oh wait, there it is. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like. Alright, so here is one. I have to finish sewing the inside. I haven't sewn the inside yet. But this is the pencil pouch. Okay, well, there we go. Now it's closed. This is the pencil pouch. This is what it's going to look like. And you don't even have to use it for, you know, just pencils. Like, if I'm not mistaken, I think my scissors fits in here too. I probably am wrong about that. I just might be. Yes, just might be a little bit. But yes, I made this mainly to hold my pencils, especially for work. But it's just so freaking cute. So freaking cute. So I'm going to keep going. Okay. Hope you guys can see. I really do hope you guys can see. I gotta go and cut some threads. But I'm just gonna fold this in half. I know I have my little pins together here. And I think I'm just gonna use pins. I'm not gonna use the clips. Just gonna make sure everything's even. I'm going to go through and do this first with all the keychain wallets. Alright, so all the edges or corners have been sewn together. I'm just going to, I'm trying to find the zipper, you guys. I don't remember if I pre-opened the zipper. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm just going to flip this bag right side out, being gentle not to bust the seams as I also push out the corners. So as you can see, and I'm checking at the same time to make sure I got all my edges, just in case if I got to push it back like this side here. I'm about to redo this one edge as soon as I move that out the way. I want to stick this right back underneath here and reinforce this side right here. And I'm kind of going slow to make sure I get that one piece that I missed. And we're going to push you back underneath. All right, I got it. So if I shove the inside on the inside, bring out the edges and my little pull tabs. Here is my little keychain wallet. A key ring will be put here. A very cute one that I've picked out is so cute. I'm actually going to give you the option, if I'm able to, either the basic round ring here or this other one I have. But yeah, so this is what the little keychain wallets are going to look like. They're a little bigger than the palm of my hand. You can fit a good amount of stuff in here. So I'm just going to keep finishing, and then I'll show you guys what everything looks like when I'm done. So I finished I didn't do that many, but I did. I'm saying I finished, but I still have to sew the inside of it. But I finished all of the little keychain wallets. Don't mind my dog, you guys. So I have 2 of this print right here, as you can see. Is it 2? Yeah, I have 2 of these. I still got to get all the thread and stuff off. Of course, so I'm going to use a lint roller for that. I have 2 of this gorgeous print right here as well. And I thought I had 2 of these, but apparently I only have 1. So I only have 1 of this gorgeous print right here as well. I already have my pencil bags pinned. I'm about to sew those and then jump on the makeup bags, and then I'll show you what everything looks like later. I might not finish this video till tomorrow, you guys, mainly because I got something to do. So but my aim is to finish these pencil pouches today before I dip out. So I'm gonna keep going. All right, you guys, I just wanted to come back on here and show you what I finished. Okay, I finished all of them. And because they're all finished, I'm gonna go ahead and have them released on the website. If you're curious, if you're not, that's okay, but these will be great Mother's Day gifts, okay? So as you can see, we have finished all of our little pencil pouches. And where is my box? There will be a choice of 3 rings you can get on the little coin purse. Okay, on a little coin purse, if you would like to choose your ring, if you would like one. Of course, you have the normal silver one. Okay, I hope you guys can see that, the normal silver ring. Then I do have the rounded rose gold ring. So, but it's a lot smaller. So as you can see in size, silver right here, rose gold. But then I've also added the heart ring as well. So that's a choice if you want to have it on the side of your keychain wallet. Next, I went ahead and I finished all of the pencil pouches. They're all finished. They're all right here. Okay, I finished all of them. Of course, on the website, I'll have their measurements for these. And then as you can see, the bigger bag. You can call them essentials bag, you can call them skincare bags, you can call them makeup bags. They're completely different than the normal boxy bags, but they're kind of boxy, but more of a rectangular shape. So as you can see, this is what the bag looks like. And I really do like how this bag looks. It's very pretty. I'm super happy how it came out. It's so beautiful. There will be more designs in the future. But for right now, these are just the 3 that I'm launching. I'm super happy about them. Sorry y'all, it's been a long day. Okay, it's been a very long day. Life happens. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy, me showing you something that's going to be launching or has already just launched on my website. I'm super excited about it. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and if you enjoy content like this. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me here at Thick Peach Creations. I'm Chanel. Once again, please kindly subscribe and leave a comment down below, and we can have a little heart to heart maybe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.